Hello and welcome friends. Today in this video I am going to talk about the craziest things happening in this game. First of all, I will clear that many people are saying I have also used hacks. This is correct. I have used hacks in my previously to become Cavalier, and after this, when Kabam punishes me, then I stop using the modes. But nowadays you can easily complete uncollected when you play this game daily to 4 to 5 hours for 2 or 3 months. Even you can do Cavalier at the right time. But how you think that I also now become more skilled, so I have now skill to complete act 5 and somewhere in act 6 also. But the main point of this video is regarding the alliance wars. Kabams know that alliance war seasons are one of the craziest things in the game. I play alliance war due to alliance war seasons, and I not active in the game currently as too much I am, and I also don't playing my 2 account. But you see this whole account, even my alliance, even my alliance can't go for that. My alliance rating is 6349421. You can see that 63,49,421 and 1,779 attack rating. See this 500k rating. Tell me, how can I alliance with 500k rating can become gold 1? Tell me, tell me one reasons. Now let's go for that. Maybe this alliance had some 4 to 5 skilled players and they run 2 battle groups, so that's a good thing. Now let's get ready into her champions. El Soldado, or what the name, 60k. Even my third account is higher than him, and the two people who are only above 100k. And see, tell me, tell me a one alliance that can become gold 1 alliance with these type of champions. I uploaded these things, I complained these things to Kabam in her Kabam forms, but they deleted my post. Why we can't raise our voice to the Kabam? Kabam is just destroying the Marvel Contest of Champions games. The popularity of Marvel Contest of Champions is just going down and down and down as compared to another games. Now this going to be very crazy, and you know how I know this? I log in the game because my alliance says please be active in alliance wars because we need some members. Now you can see I active, and then I see a champion that have a 4-star Angela, and her profile is looking like unusual. I think how this alliance could be gold. He is talking in the chat so ridiculously that he is in a gold. When I go to him, I saw this type of craziest things happening in the game. Our alliance done many efforts to complete alliance wars. Even we don't rank up our champions from glory, we spend those glories to revive potions to complete alliance wars. We know that 10 players dependent on alliance war for their rewards, at 30 players in 3 battle groups. But what of these things happening in the game? The game is just going too much hacker. I know you see that these things 20 days ago, 22 days ago, 17 days ago, and see 12:34, 26 minutes ago 14 hours ago. Some of these accounts were banned, some of these accounts were not banned. Top her champions are banned, top her champions are not banned. Now see me, how can these type of things can occur? 4 to 5, make a 4 to 5 new accounts, use modes in them, play alliance wars, defeat the boss incorrectly. Now everything is full and fine. Now this is going to be the hazardous. If you ban, you should have to ban the total alliance and the player from always, so that nobody can do this type of thing. Many alliances doing match fixing with alliance war match fixing, and many other bugs happening in the alliance wars also. I feel that hitting on this block is countered by specials. Many champions get power gain ridiculously as they have to not. Some champions do not throw her specials for a longer and longer time period. The bugs, the AI, the logarithm of Kabam is very bad. They have ruined this game totally. See the boy legacy, C-Team, Rich the Man, KT1. They are many characters who putting more efforts in the game to gain more rewards. But this type of things will such a hated. You know that Legacy didn't get the legends placement because of the hackers, the mercs, and the sucking fucking guys that happening in the game. Sorry to say, but this is going to be the very wrong things. Kabam only focusing on the sometimes end game players and sometimes low level players. Kabam should have three different types of players: easy, intermediate, and end game players. Every player needs attention, attraction. There is no world of cinemas. Players needs efforts, they needs rewards, but in this case players need 100 efforts, player need one effort, one rewards. If you complete act 1 to act 4, they are just rubbish. And sorry to say, I forgot my point. This alliance, tell me a thing, the hacker, the cheaters, you know that playing an alliance war is very difficult. One alliance didn't get gold placement due to this alliance. How feel him? And alliance war is also gone too bored and too hard to be played. So thank you. This are my points. This is the alliance you taking complaint to the Kabams, and why they deleted the post. I have put two posts on one that bad things in the game, how to get them good, and one today about this alliance, but they deleted my post. Kabam, I deleted the post. All of the Kabam employees are just a laborious and no laborious persons. They just wanted to make money and money. This is the situation of coronavirus, and you are sending the bad stuffs. You should have to do a charity events for this type of thing, but you not. You are not a gaming company, Kabam. You are just a freaking money obtaining company. If Rich the Man watching this video, please feature it on your channel. Maybe my account was banned after this video by Kabam, but I have no regret of that. So thank you.